How to get rid of varicose veins? Varicose veins are twisted and enlarged veins, usually found on legs. Excessive pressure on the veins, especially when standing and sitting is the main reason for the enlargement of these superficial veins, but heredity also seems to have a major role. Varicose veins are seen more often in women and in people who have to work in a standing position for long hours. Pregnancy and obesity worsen the condition since they put extra strain on the legs. Unless accompanied by pain, severe itching, ulceration, or eczema, varicose veins are often considered merely a cosmetic problem. Occasionally, it could be associated with other serious conditions called deep vein thrombosis, in which case immediately medical intervention may be necessary. Here in this video, I am going to tell you about top 8 home remedies to tackle this problem. Number 1. Pot Marigold. Pot Marigold is an old age remedy for almost all skin problems. Although varicose veins are not really a skin problem, they can give rise to itching, dryness, eczema, dermatitis, and ulcer. For quick relief of these conditions, make an infusion of the pot marigold petals in boiling water and use it for warm compresses. Number 2. Compression. Applying uniform pressure on the legs with specially designed compression stocking is a tried and tested remedy for varicose veins. Loss of elasticity of the blood vessels and their consequent enlargement reduces the efficiency of the venous valves trying to stem the backflow of blood. Number 3. Dietary support. Research indicates that an increase in homocysteine level in the blood can damage the lining of the blood vessels and increase the risk of thrombosis and varicose veins. Deficiency of B complex vitamins B6, B9 and B12 in particular is known to elevate homocysteine level. Alcohol consumption also has a similar effect. Including anti-inflammatory foods in your diet will help reduce pain and swelling. They include oily fish, leafy vegetables, beef, tomatoes, nuts and whole grains, ginger and turmeric, garlic and onion, berries and cherries. Number 4. Gentle massage. Blood pooling in the veins is one major problem that accelerates varicose veins. It always helps to keep the legs at a slightly elevated position while sitting and lying down to allow the venous blood to flow towards the heart. But massage is a more active way to increase blood circulation. Massaging the legs with gentle upward strokes can smoothen out the twisted veins and accelerate the blood flow. Never use pressure directly on the plugging veins. Number 5. Grapes and extract. The tiny seeds inside grapes contain antioxidant substances including several types of flavonoids, linoleic acid and vitamin E. They prevent free radical damage to the walls of the blood vessels. They also promote the formation of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the elasticity of connective tissues and strengthen the walls of the blood vessels. It prevents leakage of fluid from the veins and resultant swelling of the legs. Number 6. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. They protect the walls of the blood vessels from free radical damage and promote collagen formation to keep them healthy and elastic. But the most potent substance in cayenne pepper is capsicum, which has anti-inflammatory, analgesic and blood thinning properties. Number 7. Gotu Kola. Commonly known as Indian pennywort, this ground hugging herb from the Orient has been used as a popular varicose remedy for thousands of years. In India and the Southeast Asian countries, the herb extract or dried herb powder is taken orally to treat venous insufficiency. It reduces leakage from veins and reduces inflammation and water retention. Number 8. Mud packs. Applying a mud pack to varicose affected legs may help reduce vein enlargement. Significant reduction in pain is often reported after mud pack treatment. Fine clay such as fuller's earth is best for mud pack. Mix the clay with water and apply to your legs before going to bed. In the morning, wash the clay with warm water and pat the area dry. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe Top 8 for health. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.